These previously recorded clips are actual footage of Jason Olsen coming under the addiction of the Rubik's Cube. The following clips have been recorded over a span of 8 months.
Hey, bro.
Hey, Ben. What's with the camera?
It's new. I'm just testing it out.
Alright. Hey.
What are you watching?
I'm picking up this Rubik's Cube today, so I'm trying it out. Accidentally mixed it up, so hopefully I can solve it. Watching a tutorial.
Well, good luck, I guess.
Alright. See ya.
Yeah, dude.
Got it. 15th solve right there.
15?
Yeah, since last night. Pretty sweet. Got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Sticker's falling off, but...
I know. Already working it. I think I need a faster one though. What's up, goons?
Says the one holding the cube.
He's been obsessing over the Rubik's Cube lately, dude.
Rubik's Cube? Technically it's a dying Wuhan. Get it right.
Wow.
You're cool.
Yeah, cool, man.
Seriously, you're just jealous because you can't solve it.
So white?
Yeah. Here, show your little camera. Wait. What?
Can I see it?
Yeah. Wait. Okay.
I won't break it, dude, I swear. That's smooth.
I know. It's like
Smooth as the
$12.
baby's bottom.
Oh, gross. Peace, bros.
Okay, first of all, what are you wearing?
This is my cubing gear. I thought you'd know that by now, but whatever.
Okay. What's your fastest time?
Like 28.6 on the dot.
On the dot. You got that memorized.
Yeah. I
Well, you're gonna beat that right now. Here we go.
do. Really?
Whenever
No pressure.
you're ready. Tell me. So.
Sweet. Alright. Just tell me when.
Go.
Holy crap.
Holy freaking frick.
Frick, dude. Wow.
I was like
That was really fast.
18 seconds.
Are you serious? Yes.
You beat it by 10. You beat it by
Oh my
freaking 10.
God.
You...
Yes.
Go in his room.
What's that?
Go in his room. Get a cube.
Hey, Jason, can I have a cube?
No.
Why not? You have like 12 of them. Come on.
Shut up! Get out of my room!
Oh, God, son of a...
What happened?
Dude, he freaking punched me in the eye so hard. Oh, my God. It's red.
Why'd he punch you?
No idea. I just asked for a cube. He's got like 12 of them. What's the problem?
Hey, dude.
What's up, Goonberry?
You punched Cole,
Yeah, I know that.
and now he has a black eye. And
Okay.
why'd you punch him?
First he came in my room. Then he tried to touch me, which is really weird. And so, well, after that he asked for all my cubes, and I said no. Still went for him, so I punched him.
No, I heard him. All he did was ask for one. And
Okay, get that camera out of my face. Get up! Stop it!
It's a log. Yeah, it's on. Yeah.
is a special one too.
Hello, Ben. I woke up just a few minutes ago and one of my cubes was missing. I know your friend took it. That Cole guy? Yeah. He took it. And he paid, definitely. He paid. Okay, I'm not messing around, alright? I take cubing very seriously. Just in case you want to see his body. He's dead. He's dead, alright. Oh, felt good. Really felt good. I feel much better now. I have all my cubes. Bye, Ben.